Stratasys FDM technologies are a fantastic option when it comes to creating tooling for EPP moulding. By fabricating heat-resistant, durable mould inserts or even complete moulds, you can get parts that hold their shape right through the moulding process. Now, when we're talking materials, that's where the real strength comes in. High-temperature FDM materials like ULTEM and Nylon 12CF are specifically designed for this type of work, making them ideal choices for FDM moulds. But the real headline here, using Stratasys FDM technology for EPP mould creation massively reduces your lead times, brings down your costs, and opens the door to much more complex geometries. In other words, it's a highly efficient alternative to traditional tooling methods. If you're wondering which printers are up to the job, our top recommendations would be the Stratasys Fortus 900 and the Fortus 450. Both these systems deliver the performance and reliability you need to produce robust EPP moulds. Now let's not forget about the software. With Stratasys Insight, you can precisely engineer your FDM moulds to optimize both thermal and mechanical performance. This level of internal control gives you the capability to fine-tune your moulds in ways that traditional tooling simply cannot compete with. So, ready to rethink your tooling? Get in touch with the Tritech team today and let's explore what's possible.